chimichurri sauce, there's no need to complicate yourself. The few ingredients, they're ready to taste. The only thing you need are fresh herbs such as cilantro and parsley, a little bit of garlic, olive oil, and vinegar. Start by chopping the cilantro and the parsley with a knife. You can use a food processor if you want, but believe me, the taste will not be the same. Then combine the chopped parsley and the cilantro and keep chopping until you have them very fine. Transfer the parsley and the cilantro into a bowl and add minced garlic. Go gentle with the garlic. Add maybe 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Having too much garlic in your sauce will overcome your palate. Add the 2-part oil and the 1-part vinegar in the bowl and mix it very well. The secret of having a good chimichurri sauce is actually on the fermentation. Let it ferment outside the fridge at a room temperature overnight, and trust me, the flavor will intensify incredibly. If you want to have a little more kick, just add some pepper flakes to your taste. For those who want it as a topping, just mix your chimichurri sauce, either fresh or fermented, with mayo to make a chimichurri mayo. Now get your steak or grilled shrimp off the grill and add this delicious chimichurri sauce on top. Believe me, these were simple made, but with the taste, you will be amazed. I hope you have enjoyed this wonderful food adventure and subscribe to our channel.